Alright, let's get started. Let's see what we've got here. The problem with curly hair is that we always have a lot of tangles. So before we shampoo our hair, we need to make sure that we get rid of all the tangles by using this kind of brush, or you can use this kind of comb as well, and just comb it through to make sure that the tangles are gone before we start the shampooing process. Next, you have two options to shampoo your hair. Either you use the natural shampoo, just like this brand is natural 100%, which is good for the natural curly looks. Or we can make our own shampoo by using two ingredients here, baking soda and water. So it's very simple how to make it. You just need to use baking soda and water with the ratio of 1 to 4, or it depends on your hair. For me, I would use like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. And after you mix these two together, I would recommend that you mix it together inside the spray bottle, okay, and shake it until the baking soda dissolves, and then spray onto your hair and scalp and clean it over with the water. The next step is just to make the apple cider solution. So we have apple cider here. Just need to make sure that it is natural apple cider vinegar. You can check the ingredient at the back of the bottle. Make sure it's not artificial vinegar, because it's not gonna do any good with your hair. So just check the label at the back. Like for example, this one is natural apple juice with water, and then after the apple cider vinegar you need water, and then I use lavender oil just to enhance the smell of the solution, because the smell of apple cider is not very pleasant, so it's better to put some natural oil, and I love lavender, so it's good. So mix these three together. Again, it depends on your hair type. You can put like 1 apple cider vinegar to maybe like 3 to 4 water. For me, I use half and half, and a few drops of lavender oil to make the nice smell of the solution. And after that, you put these three again inside the bottle, spray bottle, and mix it together. Yeah, this is the bottle. So you put all the 3 ingredients inside and shake to mix it all together. And after that, after you wash your hair, you just spray this solution onto your hair. And at that time, leave it for like a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, I would say, and then the apple cider solution will absorb into your hair, and then you can start combing your hair. The tangles will be gone by then, or you can use this plastic comb, to get rid of the tangles, okay? And you comb the hair, and after that you just squeeze the hair to make the curls, so the solution will absorb into your hair and the curls will become evident. Okay, so just need to make sure you do that. And after a few minutes time, you rinse your hair with the water. And then after you rinse your hair with the water, you will have some drips of water coming out from your hair. It's time to dry your hair. Okay, so after you squeeze the drips out from your hair, use the cotton t-shirt. It's 100% cotton, which is very mild to the hair. So I just cover all of my hair with this t-shirt and tied it up. Leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes until the hair is getting dry. I never use the hair dryer. I just dry off my hair with this t-shirt. And after the hair dry, please don't comb it, because combing the hair will destroy the good curls. So after the hair is dry with this t-shirt cotton, it's time to move on with the last step. You can either put the natural oil to your curl, or you can just use some cream. Here I'm using Sheer Nature from the US to keep the curl over there. And what I like about this brand is that it is very natural. It doesn't have sulfate, no paraben, and all that. So you can check it out. Just put just maybe the size of the coin, and then rub it with your palm, and then apply it onto your curls and squeeze it just like that. I'll let your curls dry naturally, and then yeah, here we go, you would get very nice curls. Okay, for myself, apparently I don't really like the baking soda underwater because it makes me have the dandruff, and that's the big problem. My next clip, I'm just gonna go through what kind of shampoo that we should use to avoid the dandruff. Okay, so stay tuned until next time. Thank you very much for watching this clip. Bye.